Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
जीएमसीत नोकर भरतीत गोंधळ म्हूण याचिकादार शैलेंद्र वेलिंगकरान कोर्टात PIL घाल्ले. वादग्रस्त 13 पोस्टां खातीर सुमार 1214 भरती जाल्ले. दरेकल्याक नोटीस धाडप शक्य ना म्हूण याचिकादारान नोटीस पेपरांतल्यान जाहीर करपाक मागिल्ली मान्यताय कोर्टान दिल्या. याचिकादार कोर्टात रिस्पॉन्ड करूंक शकतात. कोर्टात केस चालू आसा म्हूण तांकां वेगळी वैयक्तीक नोटीस मेळची ना.
See, these notices of substituted service. Now, there is a concept called as substituted service. That means if because of the number of parties which are there in the case, it is not practicable to serve them through actual service of the notice of the court, there is a procedure which says that you can serve them by substituted service, which include a service by way of publication in the newspaper. So here is a situation where number of respondents are so many. There was a request made by the petitioner saying that they should be served through publication in the newspaper, and that is what is permitted by the court. And by virtue of this publication, a notice is given to those respondents. They are supposed to appear before the court and they are supposed to file their reply. That is what that notice says.
And what will happen next, sir, in this matter?
See, on the next date, those parties are entitled to appear before the court. They are entitled to file a reply, and on that day the court will further decide as to which date the matter will be heard, whether they will come and ask for time, and if they ask for time, whether at all the time is required to be given to them. That is what the court will decide on that day. But as of now, the situation is that those parties, those persons who are selected and appointed, they should come before the court and give their say before the court. That is the purpose of that notice.
जो notices जो issue झालो, that was in accordance with the High Court's order of 26/7/2022, म्हणजे 26 जुलै 2022. आमचे नेक्स्ट हियरिंग जे आसा ते 19 सप्टेंबराक आसा, आणि वी आर होपिंग that dharma will prevail here, justice will prevail, yato dharmas tato jayah, अशा प्रकारची एक अपेक्षा आमी दवरून आसा. हें तुमकां कळोवपा खातीर, सूचित करपा खातीर ह्यो न्यूजपेपर नोटिसीस ज्यो आमी सगळ्यांक इश्यू ज्यो केल्या, दॅट इज इन अकॉर्डन्स विथ द हाय कोर्ट्स ऑर्डर.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ओमकार फळारी.